Alright YouTube, I wanted to share with you guys some amazing news. Tomb Squad, check this out guys. So this is our warehouse from all the way over here, and we just expanded to all the way over here. How crazy is that? Yo, thank you guys for the support. We continue to grow. The company continues to get better. Big things coming. Yo, what up Phil? What up, bro? No Dre? Dre, where you at, bro? You're not in your office. He went to the gym? Damn, he got money. All right, we got colors. We got powders in stock, guys. Powders are in stock. All right, so if you've been looking for powders, we got them. I got some powders. We got custom FX clipper power clips, and we got skeleton FX power clips. All these power clips, shave gels in stock. Like I said, no drip, the best damn color enhancement ever. All right, we got 245 razors in stock. If you need a compressor, place your order. We ship as we get inventory, and we've been shipping consistently, I feel like every month. We got power mats, Phil? We got a few power mats as well, so if you're looking for power mats, we got those as well. We don't have batteries, but we got batteries coming. So if you want batteries too, place your order, because we do have batteries coming in. So once they come in, boom, we'll go ahead and start shipping those. See what Danny up to upstairs. It's the most steep stairs ever. What's up, bro?
Coming on a bad hair day.
Bad hair day? Yo, the paperwork. How long have you had this truck? 6 months. So guys, he's had this truck 6 months and I've never ridden in it. It's a bad friend, really bad friend. You guys don't know Danny. Danny, CEO of Tomb 45, and he loves jet skis. Look at this, look at this. Jet skis, jet skis, jet skis. So this was the perfect truck for him to haul. He has a boat too, but this was the perfect truck for him. This is gonna be my first time in it. Ah, very nice.
Very, very nice.
I feel like you're gonna eventually develop webbed feet. He is always on the water, guys. You guys gotta see some of his footage where he's jet skiing with alligators.
I will put that in there. I'll send it to you.
You'll send it to me? All right, so this is what we're gonna do. I want you guys to check this footage out. It is crazy, and he has done this a few times, but let's go ahead and start the footage, and then we're gonna narrate what you're gonna watch.
All right, well, we're on the Kissimmee River. This is Kocha Lake up to this place called the Dude Ranch. You go through one lock, but on the way, you're literally in the middle of nowhere. You have these Florida residents, as we call them.
That's what you call the gators.
Yes, they're a little resident gator.
Yeah, the jet ski got stuck.
Oh no, that's a different video. It's the same water, but I mean, when I got stuck, it was different, right? So we got stuck so bad. You know, sometimes you got a little courageous and go through the areas that are used by airboats.
Got it.
And you know, if you stay on plane and you go fast enough, you can get through it. You're just shooting mud, and you're basically using mud instead of water. But this was a little too courageous, and had to call an airboat to come save us. So
they got stuck. Yeah, so here's that footage, and I want you guys to keep in mind, Danny just now was not even thinking about there's gators in the water. The first thing I'm thinking is you're stuck in the middle of nowhere and there's gators everywhere. That's what I'm thinking.
They don't even like Floridian meat. They like that foreign meat. So
hope you guys enjoy seeing that footage, because I thought it was crazy. Hey guys, that's like gold right now.
yeah, it is. The price is going up so much.
That's gold. Dang, these I have not tried yet. I'm excited to try these. You got the light, bro. Look at this luxurious screen.
Hey, bro.
Look at Phil. Still got a cool setup. I like how you guys set up the desk.
Thanks.
Looks dope. You're an interior designer, bro?
Only on the weekends.
Temp jobs. Anytime he's in town, we put him to work. That's Dre's brother. Damn. This looks good, you heard? This looks dope. Step 1. Gotta get the mat. Step 2. Gotta choose your power clip. Want to add an expansion pad, you can. Man, if you got a local store that carries our products, they might be getting one of these. If you see this at a local store, take a picture of it, tag me. To me, this is so dope that we even have this. Crazy. Check it out, guys. We got new toilets. Our father-in-law's a plumber. He says these are the best, the Cimarron. Kohler Cimarron, he says the best. Never clog. The toilets never clog. All right, we're about to go see the guys who are working on the house. These guys, I've been cutting since they were kids. They were kids. Now they're successful entrepreneurs doing their thing with the remodeling and all that. So they hooking the house up. They're all trash. What up, guys? What's up, man? Oh, wow, y'all tore the closet down.
to it, man.
It's your boy Chris Bowles, yo. We're back with another YouTube video.
Dang. Look how much more space, huh?
Yeah, that shit opens up the whole...
Everything, right?
Everything.
That's major. Now we got a lot of space. Guys, that's them. Jackson, flooring installation. They do remodeling as well. If y'all want the information, I'm gonna put your Instagram and all that good stuff
Right there on the screen.
So if you in Tampa, if you in Florida, you need remodel work, these the guys, man.
Tampa, Wesley Chapel.
There it is.
Everywhere down here, man.
There it is. All right, it's time to link up with my guy Danny. What Danny doing? What's up, Daniel, son?
What's up?
All right, guys, I got a couple things in that I want to unbox. All right, so number one is the X-Evo, and you guys have already kind of seen the X-Evos around. These are Gamma's new trimmers, and the other, which I'm pretty excited for, are the X-Ergos. I have not tried these out yet, so I'm excited for those. And then what came in the mail from Filthy Blends himself, Phil from Filthy Blends, good friend of mine, sent me his newest mod. If you guys don't know Filthy Blends mods, there'll be a link in the description if you want to check out his website. Got a whole bunch of mods, including brackets and stuff, so you can put pretty much any blade that you want on your favorite clipper. So I believe that this cam follower allows me to put a Andis blade on these bad boys. So I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use these how they come, the X-Ergos, but I'm gonna modify these to take the Andis blade. That might actually sound like some Andis Masters because those are magnetic motors. It's gonna be interesting. But let's unbox these clippers real quick. I'm excited to use these. All right, so. Very nice. This thing out. Why? There we got it. Feels nice in the hand. Performance microchipped. I don't even know what that means, but it sounds amazing. I like the way the motor looks. Damn, they feel powerful, I ain't gonna lie. You got both of these. These feel powerful. Those are the improved ones. These definitely feel more powerful. Oh no, they're dying. But those definitely feel more powerful. So now I wanna look at the back of the box. 120-minute runtime, that's 2 hours. Tight or stretch taper bracket kit for long, shorter taper options. Okay, that's cool. Fully adjustable zero gap fade blade. All right, this is what I want to look at. Microchip, 10,000 strokes per minute, turbocharged motor tuned for increased power. All right, you can definitely feel the increased power, so I can't wait to use them to cut, which I'm gonna do shortly. I didn't show you guys this, but I got these as well. Fire. And I actually have 2 of these. So I think what I might do, since I got 2 of them, is bless the Toon Squad community and run a giveaway. Now, this one has like the Andis style blade. This one has like the Walt style blades. So I'm gonna try both of these when I get to the shop. Bro, I'm loving this. All right, but let's go ahead, head over to the shop and use these things, man. Let's cut with them. Let's see what we working with here. Yo, Shannon, what'd you do with these?
So that's got the Mellow Blends modification on it.
Okay.
So I put the Andis blade, and that's the new X-Evo.
And you like them so far?
I haven't tried them.
We're gonna
want
try
to
them
see
right
what you do.
All right, here
We
we
need
go.
to set them a little better, but I want to see where they're at right now.
I feel like they got a little more power than the regular Evos. Cause I'll be honest, the regular Evos would struggle a little bit with the balding. Yeah, they're quiet. Let's see how this looks. It's sharp. So funny, it definitely feels like a magnetic clipper. Or a magnetic trimmer, I should say. Alright guys, here is an updated battery that we're going to install into my old Babeless clippers. So you gotta pop off this piece right here with a very small flathead. So it's better to start here on the sides to pop it open. Pieces are now off. You got 2 screws here. Now you need to screw the bottoms off, okay? All right, cool. So that's off now. Now that comes off. You got 2 more screws here to unscrew. And all right, total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Total of 7 screws, and that should allow you to pop the top off. Obviously, you gotta take this off. You're going to take the battery out. This is the battery that comes with it. There is 2 pieces that are plugged into this battery. 2 pieces. You got this which is your charging port, you just pull from the plastic. Do not pull from the wire because you're gonna break it. You have to pull from this plastic piece. The other plastic piece is right here. Pull from the plastic, not from the wire. All right, there you go, boom. It's out. So now you're gonna put your new battery in. This switch right here, that's an added switch. That's going to determine what color your charger is gonna be. And they're labeled. So you have yellow, green, blue, okay? You have yellow, green, and blue. I'm gonna go with green. They're labeled right here at the top. So let's go ahead and plug this bad boy in. This part is the top part because that's where the switch is. Boom, that was easy to plug in. And then now you gotta plug this piece in, okay? Boom, that was easy to plug in. Now you can lay your battery in the same spot as it was laid previously. You have to be careful which way you align this because it might mess up how your power clip plugs in, all right? Now let's put it all back together. All the screws are the same size. Yeah, all the screws are the same size. All right, there you have it. Check it out. Now you can see it charging in green. I'm gonna use these all day. All right, man, full effect. Remodel is in full effect. Excited. I gotta pull this thing inside. Look, guys, that's the kitchen. Damn, this is all the flooring. That's the kitchen appliances. I'm scared to look. Oh, oh my gosh, the kitchen's gone. Awesome. Check it out, y'all. It's coming together. Kitchen is gone. My boy Daniel tore it down. Get this cam follower, because I told you guys what I want to do is I want to put these wall cutter cam, Ergo cam for Andis cutter. Here are the screws for it. All right, I'm assuming this cam is for wall clippers to put the Andis blade, and this is the Ergo cam for the Andis blade, for the cutter, right? Because you can put the top blade, but it's not the same cutter. This is gonna allow you to run the same cutter. And I'm gonna try to run that on these. And if it works well, I'll try to run them on these. Oh, I like how that one's clear. Very nice. And then you guys can see the difference of these two. Pretty much the same thing, same size. I like the taper arm, so.
I got the opposite. I was like, oh, word.
That blade looks tiny.
Yeah.
I guess it'd probably be good for tapers and stuff, though, you know what I mean?
Yeah, I mean, it feels pretty nice right now.
Yeah. So you've been on that gamma wave, like, you still use your seniors?
Yeah, I use most of my babyless, to be honest.
Oh, really?
So I try to use them, but they were straight out the box and they weren't hitting out the box. Definitely got to adjust them. Even though they look pretty damn good, you got to move the blade up a bit. That was the clip of them. Obviously, they're not hitting like they can. I did adjust the clipper and the clipper is cutting amazing. With that being said, guys, that's the end of the vlog. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. I will see you guys tomorrow with the next drop because we got daily content on this channel, man. See y'all tomorrow.